we're going to talk about the control panel on the refrigerator. The first feature we're going to talk about is the lock feature. Now first you have to activate the screen. Touch any button to light up the screen. To activate the lock button, hold the lock for 3 seconds and lock will appear on the screen. When this is active, you cannot use any of the buttons on the screen. To deactivate the lock button, hold the lock button for 3 seconds and the lock will disappear and you may activate all the buttons on the screen. Next is the mode feature. To activate the mode feature, hold for 3 seconds. You have 4 features: max cool, max freeze, vacation, and Sabbath. To cycle through each one, touch the mode button, which will take you through each selection you want. To deactivate the mode button, hold the mode button for 3 seconds and the light will go off. Next, we're going to talk about increasing or decreasing the temperature on the refrigerator or freezer. First, you want to activate the screen by hitting the arrow either up or down, which highlights the temperature. Hit the arrow key again and it will flash. You can either increase or decrease to the desired temperature. Once the desired temperature is achieved, you must wait 24 hours for the refrigerator to get to that temperature. To activate the freezer temperature, hit the freezer button and again use the arrow keys either up or down to either increase or decrease the desired temperature. Again, you must wait 24 hours to achieve that temperature. The default settings for the refrigerator are 37 degrees, while the default setting on the freezer is 0 degrees. To change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius or from Celsius to Fahrenheit, once the screen is woken up, by hitting either button, press and hold both the up and down arrow keys at the same time for 3 seconds. Celsius will appear. To change from Celsius back to Fahrenheit, hold the up and down arrow keys for 3 seconds and you'll be back at Fahrenheit. The door open alarm feature sounds an alarm and blinks the door ajar icon when any of the doors are open for 5 minutes or more. The alarm will repeat every 2 minutes. Close all doors to turn it off.